Girl, stand by side. Girl, you look mighty fine. Oh, won't you rub your...
Hey guys, so it's been a while since I even like uploaded a video. It's been about probably like 2 years. But as you can tell by the title, I'm just gonna be doing a video on reverting my hair back to curly from straight. I just recently went to my stylist. Shout out to Tracy. She always get me right. I just went so I can, you know, get my ends trimmed and stuff, because it was kind of bad. But you guys stay up on that. You're supposed to get that done every, like, you know, 3 months. So I went a little longer than that, but I'm back right. So let me stop talking. Let me just get into the video. I kind of been dreading doing this video because I'm always like super, I guess, nervous about having like heat damage. So hopefully that's not the case today. So I'm gonna just start out by and if you guys hear my son in the background, he's watching his shows. He gets excited. So I'll just split my hair into 4 sections. And I'm gonna just start out with a little section. Oh my God, y'all, I'm nervous. But I'm gonna spray it with water. So I got a water bottle, and then I'm gonna use this Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It strengthens and restore treatment mask, and it got like a shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. So basically, this it just you know, nourish and renews natural, chemically processed or heat style hair. So this is what it looked like. I don't know if y'all can see it. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna use to bring back the curls. And it looked like this. It's brown. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm gonna just spray it. I'm gonna just saturate it with water first. I always get nervous at this part because it be still like straight. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on there. It's still straight. Oh my gosh. Well, it's kind of starting to form a little bit. I'm gonna just keep raking my fingers through. It's coming back a little bit. I'm gonna use my like little dimming brush. It's like a dimming brush, I guess you can call it that. I mean, it's by this brand. But I'm gonna just see if I can wake the curls up a little bit with this, because this usually brings my curls out. I'm really hoping I ain't got no heat damage. I'ma cry. Okay. All right. We'll see. We still got a whole head left, so. All right, that's cool. All right, let's keep going. And so far, no heat damage. I mean, we still got the rest of the head to do, so I'm hoping no heat damage. So we are back, fully natural. It was fun while it lasted. I'm back. Ends are trimmed and ready to go. I'll be back to my stylist in about 3 more months. I'm gonna keep it up, keep going 3 months, every 3 months. So yeah, I'm about to rinse this out and get a good wash and condition, and yeah, feels good to have the curls back. Also, you guys, since I've been gone for a little bit, I do want you guys to subscribe, share, comment, let me know what you guys think. Also, any suggestions that you guys would like to see, any videos that you guys want me to do. So yeah, and don't forget to hit that that bell so you can get my future videos that's gonna be coming up. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.